Antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, is a natural phenomenon. It happens when microbes like bacteria and fungi evolve to withstand the drugs designed to kill them. Imagine a microscopic arms race. Antimicrobials are our weapons, but microbes are constantly evolving, finding ways to dodge our attacks. This resistance doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process driven by natural forces that have been shaping life on Earth for billions of years. Understanding these natural drivers is crucial to tackling the growing threat of AMR. We must look beyond human actions and appreciate the profound influence of the natural world. Some microbes are inherently resistant to certain antimicrobials. They possess intrinsic resistance mechanisms like shields built into their cellular structure. For example, some bacteria have an outer membrane that acts as a barrier, preventing certain antibiotics from penetrating the cell. This natural resistance is encoded in their genes, passed down through generations. But resistance doesn't just come from pre-existing defenses. Microbes can also develop resistance through genetic mutations. These mutations are random changes in their DNA, like typos in their genetic code. Most mutations are harmless or even detrimental. However, occasionally a mutation might arise that accidentally confers resistance to an antimicrobial. Microbes are incredibly social creatures, even across species. They have a remarkable ability to share genetic information, including genes that confer resistance. This process is called horizontal gene transfer, or HGT. Imagine microbes swapping tools, including those that make them resistant. There are several ways HGT can occur. One way is through tiny packages of DNA called plasmids. Plasmids can be transferred from one microbe to another, like sharing a USB drive containing resistance genes. Another way is through viruses that infect bacteria, called bacteriophages. These viruses can accidentally pick up resistance genes from one bacterium and transfer them to another. The environment plays a crucial role in the evolution and spread of AMR. Natural environments like soil and water are teeming with diverse microbial communities. These environments often contain naturally occurring antimicrobials, produced by fungi and bacteria as weapons against each other. This constant exposure to antimicrobials creates a selective pressure that favors resistant microbes. Microbes with resistance genes have a survival advantage and are more likely to reproduce and pass on their genes. Over time, this natural selection process can lead to an increase in the prevalence of resistance genes within microbial populations. In conclusion, antimicrobial resistance is a complex issue with deep roots in the natural world. While human activities have undoubtedly accelerated the process, it's crucial to recognize that AMR is not solely a man-made problem. By understanding the natural drivers of resistance, we can develop more effective strategies to mitigate its impact and preserve the efficacy of our life-saving antimicrobials.